In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your PayPal account to Facebook as a payment method. It's a quick process, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can follow along in real time. Start by opening the Facebook app and logging in. From the home screen, tap the menu icon in the bottom right corner where you see your profile picture. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. Now, from here, look for the section called Account Center. Go ahead and tap on Payments. Inside Payments, you'll see your current payment options like credit or debit cards. To add PayPal, tap Add Payment Method. You'll see a few options appear, and from here, go ahead and select PayPal. At this point, a pop-up will open that takes you to the PayPal login screen. Enter your PayPal email and password. Then, confirm that you want to link your account. Once you've signed in, Facebook will automatically connect your PayPal account, and you'll see it listed under your payment methods. From now on, you can use PayPal for things like ads, subscriptions, or any other payments directly through Facebook. That's all it takes. In just a few steps, you can link PayPal to Facebook and start using it as your payment method right away. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below